The industry is revealing how to make money online with graphic design and how complete beginners can earn $100 to $700 per day with no experience. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to make money online with graphic design. Let's now get going. It's interesting to see how many artists and graphic designers have used their skills to start successful side businesses, online remote jobs, or even full-time businesses. I remember when I first started. Oh, don't graphic designers make a lot of money? You'd be surprised at the variety of crazy opportunities available to you, which begs the question, what's stopping me from at least getting to the point where I'm consistently making $100? What's stopping me from doing it if I could find a way to earn an additional $100 per day while doing what I already love, which in this case is graphic designing? If that makes sense, then let's get on with it, because some graphic designers have no business experience and are stuck. They say things like, oh, don't I need to be a businessman to go ahead and make money? And, oh, don't I need to understand marketing and sales? Well, in this video, we're going to go ahead and teach you how to do all of that. The obvious solution is to create an Upwork account. You most likely already have an Upwork account, but I wanted to mention it because this is where my sister, who also does graphic design, finds clients. She began when she was about 22 or 23 years old and currently resides in Thailand. She travels the world with her graphic design skills, and if you're unfamiliar with sales and marketing, you can see some of these people here. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. Another option is just selling your graphic designs on Amazon in terms of t-shirts. Let's do a really simple one. Let's do elephant t-shirts. What a lot of people are doing is just creating their graphic design stuff and throwing it up on a shirt. Selling something as simple as this to people who are passionate about their niche? But don't I need money to sign up? Consider this. There are a select few designs that can effectively free up some of your time if you use your graphic design abilities to list them on merch.amazon. As a result, what I actually do is create graphic designs for things that come up. For instance, one design might say, whatever passive income is, while another might say, whatever passive income is, design on it and put this in the title of it, since that's what people here advise. Amazon's essentially telling me what people are searching for if I put that in the title, and you can see here's a salt shaker, here's these socks, and out of nowhere you see a t-shirt. It's literally a t-shirt for 17 bucks that could go ahead and upload for free on merch.amazon.com. Again, you can do this for so many different things. If you're good at graphic design and you're already doing it for other businesses or clients, you might as well try doing it for yourself and just start selling on Amazon, since it's free to get started. Keep in mind that some of these designs can make you $100 per month. So if you get just 10 winning designs and they're up on Amazon, you're consistently making $100 per month for each of those designs because you rank for a certain keyword that people are searching for. And it works. Given that starting an Amazon store is free, if you are skilled in graphic design and currently work for other organizations or clients, you might as well try it out for yourself. Remember that some of these designs can bring in $100 per month. So if you manage to create just 10 successful designs, list them on Amazon, and consistently earn $100 per month for each of them because you rank for a popular keyword, that's a lot of money. How much does it cost to design a template? If you already have the software you need to do graphic design and sell 2,000 items, that's about $40,000. I'd make an Etsy account and then type in Instagram template, and look at this. You could literally go ahead and rank for any of these keywords. These are what people are searching for on Etsy. When someone searches for Instagram template, they will see one of your templates, which you could theoretically sell. If you pin it to Pinterest, you'll have 2 traffic sources or locations where people are looking for graphic design templates, Pinterest and Etsy. They'll find your digital product that you sell on Etsy and you'll get paid for it. You could go even further and actually build your own store, like a Fanjoy. Fanjoy is just a simple t-shirt company that literally does 5 to 10 million a year. And what they do is very simple. They use Shopify to sell. They create their own e-commerce website, so instead of relying on Etsy, which takes a cut, you can literally just own the entire pie. You could sell your graphic designs on Shopify or your t-shirts on Shopify. You could link it to Printful, a site that sells men's clothing as well as home decor items like flags, posters, frames, canvases, paint, coffee mugs, water bottles, throw pillows, pillowcases, fabrics, and towels. Consider this, you can upload your graphic design. Your cost is only $8. If you sell this for $25, and if you sell 10 of those, that's $169 profit. They'll handle the shipping. They'll handle everything. They'll brand it. It will appear as if you have inventory, but you won't have to spend a dime until you make a sale. What steps would I take to market it? Simply put, if I was selling cat t-shirts or cat designs, I would go to YouTube, type in cat tips, and look for someone with a lot of views but not many subscribers. So, if you make a collection for her, do the graphic designs, and she wears the t-shirts in all of her videos, you could make a lot of money. You don't have to spend any money on advertising because they're doing the advertising or marketing for you, because they are the ones creating the content. Then you can split the profit with her. Does that make sense? Because understanding graphic design allows you to be the business person in the meantime and create the graphic designs for those creators who already have the audience to sell to you. Phandroid did exactly that with a number of these creators, including tic-tac-toe YouTubers, people who didn't know how to start their own t-shirt business. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.